Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Four Seasons in Sweden. And today we're going to pick Blackberry aronia. This Blackberry aronia is an edible and it is very nutritious. This Blackberry aronia, they call it melancarpa or aronia melancarpa, and it is known also as a black chockeberry. And as you can see guys, they have a very wonderful color. It's very black and it is very delicious, but I really want to make a juices. It's the first time for me anyway to make a juice on it. And now I am separate the fruits into their what you call that, vines. And then now we're going to wash it. Or some insects that there, it is washed away. So we are make sure that it is clean before we cook it or boil it. And as you can see guys, there are bubbles or bubbling, what do you call that? Sorry guys, but yeah, they have a very nice color. And after that we're going to strain it to separate the skin and the seeds into our juice. So I am very excited what will be the result, and I'm going to cook it. I'm sorry to say I haven't make any video when I return it back to the frying pan or what you call that. So I put it in the bottles and it is really wonderful result. The color is awesome. So thank you so much for watching, and this today's is very short video, so I'm going to share it all of you guys, and I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe.